Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Steelseries Arctis 7 with your Android smartphone. And we'll be doing this with a dongle, and you can find it inside the box with headphones if you buy them in a wireless version. Now let's connect it right here onto my phone. It's USB-C, also make sure that your phone does have it. Now when it's connected, we can move to the headphones and make sure to power them on. You can find the power key right here. Click and hold it for a few seconds. You should hear a beep sound, and that means they're powered on. And then now we can try to play some music. And as you can see, they are fully working with my smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.